What's going on? Welcome back. Ryan here. In this video, we're talking about strike price. When we come in here to Thinkorswim, right, we can come into this trade tab and we can type in Apple, and this will bring up our option chain. And just important to grasp what the strike price is. So in this option chain, the strike price is always going to be listed down the middle next to these expirations in between the calls and the puts, okay? And the strike price is always the price that the option will execute at should you be exercising this option or should you be assigned. And we're going to talk about having options exercised and having options assigned a little bit later. But remember, options are contracts. We have buyers and sellers, and the strike price is important for the buyer and the seller because it's an agreement of where this option's value is going to lie, right? So the definition of the option contract being when you're purchasing an option, right, you have the right but not the obligation to purchase the underlying asset or sell the underlying asset at a given price, which is the strike price, on or before the expiration date, okay? So every option is kind of different, right? Options might be, for instance, when we look at these weeklies, some of the weeklies are in $2.50 increments, right? As opposed to the standard contracts are $5 wide spreads. Other option contracts are $10 wide. So just important to know that the strike price is that price at which you think the underlying asset is going to be above or below, and you're going to use that strike price to make an assumption, right, of where this underlying asset is going, and then you're going to be purchasing options around a strike price that you think is going to be an important number based on what it is you're trying to do. Okay, so strike price is simple, right? It's just that price of the option of where you're either going to buy or sell based on what you think the market's going to do. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I will see you in the next video.